What is potato called in Sanskrit? Palanduhu vrintakaha alukam patolaha. Alukam. Alukam. What is sweet potato called in Sanskrit? Grinjanakam mishtalukam nishpavah koshataki. Mishtalukam. Mishtalukam. What is onion called in Sanskrit? Moolakam shimbi palankaha palanduhu. 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 What is cauliflower called in Sanskrit? Pushpashakam vindinakam suranam shunti. Pushpashakam. Pushpashakam. What is pumpkin called in Sanskrit? Karavellam raktaphalam kushmandakam tintrini. Kushmandakam. Kushmandakam. What is brinjal called in Sanskrit? Lashunaha vrintakaha kembukam grinjanam. Vrintakaha. Vrintakaha. What is radish called in Sanskrit? Nishpavah marichika nimbukam moolakam. 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 What is lady's finger called in Sanskrit? Bindinakam chhatrakam urvarukam grinjanakam. Bindinakam. Bindinakam. What are peas called in Sanskrit? Koshataki nishpavah lashunaha shimbi. Nishpavah. Nishpavah. What is carrot called in Sanskrit? Grinjanakam patolaha shigruhu shunti. Grinjanakam. Grinjanakam. What is bitter gourd called in Sanskrit? Urvarukam chhatrakam shimbi karavellam. 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 What is elephant yam called in Sanskrit? Suranam raktaphalam palanduhu vrintakaha. Suranam. Suranam. What is garlic called in Sanskrit? Urvarukam shunti lashunaha marichika. Lashunaha. Lashunaha. What is cucumber called in Sanskrit? Tintrini urvarukam kembukam shimbi. Urvarukam. Urvarukam. What is drumstick called in Sanskrit? छत्राकं पालङ्कः शिग्रुः गृञ्जनम् शिग्रुः शिग्रुः What is tamarind called in Sanskrit? Marichika Tintrini Vrintakah Nishpavah Tintrini. What is chili called in Sanskrit? Raktaphalam Shimbi Palankah Marichika Marichika. What is ginger called in Sanskrit? Shunthi Kembukam Koshataki Grinjanakam Shunthi. What is mushroom called in Sanskrit? Suranam Chhatrakam Vrintakah Patolah Chhatrakam. What is cabbage called in Sanskrit? Grinjanam Suranam Kembukam Shimbi Kembukam. What are beans called in Sanskrit? Karavellam Shimbi Grinjanakam Vrintakah Shimbi. What is beetroot called in Sanskrit? Palankah Kushmandakam Koshataki Nishpavah Palankah. What is turnip called in Sanskrit? Palankah Lashunah Patolah Grinjanam What is snake guard called in Sanskrit? Tintrini Grinjanam Patolah Suranam Patolah. What is rich guard called in Sanskrit? Palankah Marichika Kembukam Koshataki What is tomato called in Sanskrit? Raktaphalam Palanduhu Nishpavah Koshataki Raktaphalam